Hey friends, welcome back to my kitchen. My name is Christine, and today's project is going to be utilizing some things I have in my pantry. I want to use them up before we head out for the summer. So I'm going to be making an ugly but delicious cookie. It has 4 ingredients. It's super simple, so I thought I'd bring you with. So come on with. Okay friends, we are going to start out with the walnuts. So these are the extra nuts that I have left, and it's pretty much going to be a perfect amount for this recipe. So there is going to be 1.5 cups of nuts, but you're going to rough chop half, and then the other half is going to be finely chopped. So I'm going to do a rough chop in my food processor of half. So I'm just going to measure out roughly 3/4 because we're doing 1.5 cups total, and that looks like about 3/4 of a cup here. So I'm just going to do a quick rough chop on these. So that looks like a good rough chop. And I'm excited actually to try this with walnuts because it's such a healthy nut for you. It's one of the most healthy that there is out there. It's got omega-3s, copper, biotin, manganese. It's one of the most healthy nuts that you can actually eat. So, all right, so we're gonna do the other half, the other 3/4 here. Let me get rid of that. So 3/4 of a cup, and we're gonna finely chop this. You know what, there's just a little bit left. I'm just gonna do that, all right. So I'm gonna finely chop this one. This one's pretty rough chop. There's a little bit of fine in there, but it'll be just fine. I have my oven preheating right now, my little toaster oven to 300. That's what we'll cook these at. So let's get these finely chopped. That looks definitely finely chopped. Okay. Get these mixed together because you want a little bit of both. You want rough chop and fine chop for this. And let's scoop it out into my bowl here. And yeah, like I said, I'm trying to use what I have in my pantry. We leave in a few weeks, and I just don't see myself using all of these. So we're gonna make something fun. Like I said, it's an ugly cookie, if a cookie can be ugly, but they taste so good. It's really good with pecans, but walnuts is what I have left, so we're gonna utilize that. All right, we're gonna set that aside. And then next we're going to do 2 egg whites. Let me move that. So we're gonna do 2 egg whites, and we're going to beat them until they're fluffy. So I'm hoping my cord reaches here. I have a super old mixer here. If you can't tell, I don't know, I just picked it up. You can't even read the name anymore, but it's super old, but it works. Nothing wrong with that. So we're just gonna do the egg white part. And you kind of wanna, whoa. All right, well, there's going to be a little bit of yolk in that one. Just a touch. That's fine. Oh boy, here we go. Live TV. All right, let's just get that egg white out. Come on, buddy. Come on. Okay. And that'll be fine. I'm not too worried about it. All right, so we're just gonna mix these until they're fluffy. Okay, it's finally getting fluffy, so we're going to slowly add 1/2 cup of sugar. And this is my organic sugar. I'll just do it on low. Okay, so we're gonna set that aside. We're done with the hand mixer. And now we're going to take these nuts that we rough chopped and finely chopped, and we're gonna add them to the mix. And then I'm gonna add 1 little teaspoon of vanilla. This is optional, but I'm trying to use up this too, so 1 little teaspoon, nothing major. And let me move this aside. And I have my toaster oven heating up there. And you want to just get this really nicely blended. And then we're going to go to the saucepan real quick and just kind of heat it up so that it all melds together. And there's no flour, anything of the sort. You can add a pinch of salt if you'd like. Those were raw walnuts, so if you did want to use roasted, you could. All right, it looks nicely blended. Okay, and now we're gonna move over to the stove. Okay, friends, I'm just going to get this on low, literally like on the lowest setting that you can. And what you're trying to do is just maybe kind of toast those nuts a little bit. And we're just gonna do this for like 4 minutes or so, 4 to 5 minutes. My oven or my stovetop actually does run a little bit warm, so I'm definitely just gonna do the 4 minutes. And you just want to stir it up, get all that goodness out of that bowl. Okay. And I'll speed this up for you. Okay, friends, I think it's done, and I'm going to get it off this heat and back into the bowl. Okay, friends, let's get these scooped out onto the pan. I did put parchment paper, and if you saw my trick in my other videos where you crumple it up and then it lays fairly flat, so it's not like, you know, all rolled up in a ball. So I'm gonna do the double spoon method. So we're doing about a teaspoon, and you're taking a teaspoon and you're using the other one to scoop it. And you don't really need to put them far apart or anything because there's no flour. There's just, like I said, these are kind of ugly cookies, but they are so good. Like I said, I really love them using pecans, but I have walnuts to use up here, so that's what we're doing. And they're nice little kind of pop in your mouth, kind of fun cookies. And I'm gonna get this finished up. Okay, so an even dozen went on this. I'm gonna get these in the toaster oven while I grab my other pan. Okay, friends, I got my other little pan ready, so we're gonna do the same thing. And I put the other batch into my toaster oven at 300 degrees, and I'm gonna check them at a ½ hour. You kind of want to go low and slow with these, and I know 300 isn't real low, but you kind of just really want that toasted flavor. So that's what we're doing, and I'll speed this up for you. Okay, the next batch is ready. I got 7 more cookies, and we're gonna give the other ones a check at a ½ hour. Okay, let's take a look. They're looking really good. I did put them on for a few more minutes, so it's about 40 minutes in. And let's take a look. We're gonna let them cool totally. Oh yeah, they're looking good. So we're gonna let those cool, and meanwhile I'm gonna get the other pan in. Hey friends, on another super simple recipe of things that I had in my pantry that I'm trying to use up. So I'll list the ingredients down below and the directions, but otherwise they turned out great. Chewy, delicious, caught me taking a bite again. And the nut that I used was walnuts, but you can use pecans or almonds, what have you. So I just thought I'd bring you with while I try to use some things up. So if you enjoy videos like this, hit that like and subscribe button, and I'll see you next time on Christine's Routines. Take care and God bless. Out with the walnuts. Doesn't sound good. And They really did. Probably shouldn't have done that before I finished, but oh yeah, they're good. Okay. And what I'll do is I'll leave giddy up.